Got Dazzling, Damsels, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's a flashy Damsel on a 1934 DeSoto Airflow Custom Street Rod. Dazzling Hottie here on a 1954 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. There's a provoking babe on a 1974 Ford Ranchero Custom. Ooh-wee! There's Tantalizing Honey on a 1964 twin turbocharged 850 horsepower 427 cubic inch Fairlane. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end show, folks. Thank you very much for watching.